see what we got. That was odd. I'm not sure what's going on with this darn thing. It stopped. Maybe I can get through here. I don't know. I'd like to get to Car City, guys, because it looks like it's a pretty good ride there. Yeah, here comes the Mustang. There's a slammed pink Caddy 59. Check it out, guys. Wow, he's stealing the show, that fire truck. And you got that. That's a 5.0. Let me see if I can get out of here. It's insane. Oh yeah. If you know anything about me, you know that I'm a dog for this guy. It's just a dog. Let me see what we got here. I'm over by Burlington Avenue, guys, if you know where that is. For my Grand Rapids bunch, let me know where Burlington Avenue is. It's gonna get me across the street. That's the bottom line. Might be able to walk back that side and get that back. Yeah. No, that's all right. Thank you, though. I'm not sure what that was. It's a rainbow color. I'm live and let live, but I got my hands full between my bottle of water and the camera and the excess battery. I got a Dollar General here. Now, why can't I see that stuff? Darn it! Anyways, I hear it's just, yeah. Hey, see, you don't see that. Hey, I love your truck, man. Is that's all original? Wow, that thing is beautiful. You don't see them anymore. Hang on to it. Yeah. You don't see that anymore. No. You don't see that, guys. Ranger truck, standard cab. That was what everybody wanted. That a truck just like that. And man, oh man. Yeah, you're gonna see some stuff. This is traffic coming down here, guys. I'm gonna just give you a heads up. I'm probably walked about a mile, which is nothing. Woodward, I walked 12. I think it came out to just under 12. I ain't gonna cheat. It was just under 12, but 12 miles. 6 miles one way, 6 miles back. And I'll be honest with you, the cars weren't that much better than what you're seeing right now. Like here, you got a Transy. This, check it out. This is 5.0. Wasn't the best. Looks like an all original car. Maybe a touch up here, a touch up there, but real nice. Yeah. Yeah, it's all scattered. It's too bad this looked like it was a Tim Hortons or not a Tim Hortons, but yeah, it's sold premium. It looks like it's there's a bunch of garbage and the doors are shut on it. That's too bad. Yeah, I need somebody to burn out and flop out and do everything else. Jeez, I apologize. It's going to be jittery. Yeah. Hey guys, look at that, guys. Don't ask me what that's all about. It's cool beans. Yeah, I am still walking down here. This is insane, guys, because it's not one spot. You're going to see this in a minute. We're going to get out of here. Yeah, there's some rides over there, guys. We're going to take a look at that stuff. Yeah, I'm going to get on that side. Yeah, hopefully things change quick. Okay, we can go. Yeah, it's going to get a little jittery, guys. I apologize. I'm just going to show you the traffic coming through. This is 28th Street. Let's go look at some rides. Yeah. I'm all in. Hey, check this out. You got this. You got some rides sneaking up out of the back. This guy is Mr. Mean Gene. I was going to say, no, I don't know. And this is original color, 67, 68. because that color is like all original. Look at this. Look at this, guys. How's that for a convert? Like I said, I used to love converts. I still think they're the best, one of the best looking cars when you've got a convert, but they're not fun to take care of. Yeah, you got these guys either heading her out or they're trying to do the right kind of staging, maybe. Well, let me see what we got. There's a Wendy's in there. That's probably why. Yeah, there's some nice rides here in Grand Rapids. I'll tell you what, I never thought Grand Rapids was a car town, but yeah. And there's like a, you know, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. There you go. And you got this. Yeah. How about this? How about this, guys? I told you these Plymouth Grand Cruisers were not my favorite, but of course you got full cage in here, tub, fastback. I call this Corvette red now. It might be, Chrysler might have a red, but it looks more Corvette red. That's the prettiest red you can buy nowadays. Let me see what else we got here. We got some rides parked there. There's a nice Nova, modern, what is that, 7 Corvette. There's like an old 5, old 6 Mustang. Of course, you got this Z28 that's been from 77. Let's see what we got on the road, guys. Oh man. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's cutting off, but it's charging. That part's cool. Oh. Be the end of the road, guys. I'm not kidding you. Yeah, the down. I think that might be just up on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get on that side. I mean, there might be cars down there, but it's just too split up. I'll do this. Sorry guys, we're going to be backtracking slightly. I'll show you the crowd on that. Here's a nice bike. Hey, check that out, guys. That's a little different. Now how about that? Let me see what we got on front on this. Pretty slick. Let's take a look at this, guys. I didn't notice that before, but check this stuff out. Oh, that's insane. Yeah. Look at that. Chief Yellow Bear. Pretty slick. You always gotta have the dams on the straps. I don't know. They got the mini bikes. Dirt bug. One of them says dirt bug. I'm gonna try to figure out how I can get across this road, guys, without getting killed. How's that sound? I mean, it's insane. It's gonna be insane. I gotta wait for this thing to save that. Hey, you got this, guys. There you go. Studi, get on it, boys. Yeah, it doesn't say I can turn. That's insane. Yeah. I think I'm gonna try to get across here and then there, because this is a crazy corner, guys. Whatever one says I can go, I guess. Oh, come on. Which one of these are going to say it's I can walk? There we go. We'll get across this way, guys. And then I'll try to get across that way. Insane. There's another fox, or no, New Edge. Oh, shucks. Alright, there you go. Yeah, you guys. Yeah, insane. Oh, God. Okay, guys, we're going to go this way now. We're going to see what we got. You don't see that very often anymore. That's kind of neat. That's a Cali. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you just don't see those Calis anymore. Yeah. Where's you got? That thing sounds like the frickin' bomb. Weld wheels on it. That GTO's not bad. This is that Cackle Fest. That guy's packing a punch, as they say. Guys, packing. Oh boy, that's insane. Let me see what you got, guys. Yeah, somebody has to film this stuff. Oh man, that's the worst. Let's say that. Oh man, my wife's gonna be going nuts because she's waiting in the car. I told her, I said she wanted to walk there. And there's Z06. That's the one you want, guys, right there, if you're gonna have that style. You know, because I don't know, just that roofline saves probably 200 pounds with it, minus all that extra heavy glass. Let me see what else you got. Of course, you got that Camaro that's packing a punch, as they say. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Check that out, though. We're going down to Car City. Not quite sure what that's all about. I'm sure, sorry if it's a little jiggly. There's a Transy. That's that color Jay likes, too, he said. That real dark blue. Here's your guy, Redline oil. I'll see if my wife wants to park. Hey, there's a nice Nova. 502 it says it. You know, that's packing a punch. Oh. You don't want to be in the sun if you can avoid it, guys. It's warm. I mean, it's not super warm. I'm walking. I got heavy gear on. No, I don't have heavy gear. It's just warm. There's some Camaros. There's somebody that has their whatever. Of course, there's GT Mustang. It's nice. Always look better if it has stripes on it for some reason. Camaros aren't the same, but Mustangs always. Oh, that does have white stripes on it. That's cool. I thought maybe they'd have side stripe. There's an IROC. Yeah, cool beans. Hey, that's a Bullet. That they made it in blue too, which thing is always that green. I didn't care for that green, but here's a GT New Edge. It's a nice one. I guarantee that's warm. That's like mine. Maybe newer or older, I have no idea. Probably about the same year. Those were the factory wheels on it. The aftermarket ones for those ETs. Let me see what we got here. The only downside, here's some nice places, but the thing is you have to. It's a beautiful basis to park, to sit. but there's no Porties. You got to go across the street, which sucks. Yeah, let me see what we got here. You sure? Let me see what's going on. That's 250. He put the gobbledygook on it. That's nice. That's a Bullitt GT. It's nothing special, but actually I think the car looks better without the spoiler, just like that one. And you got the dog. Check the Torino out, guys. You got that Rally 350 Cutlass Torino. You're gonna be seeing a nice second gen Trans Am, like 80, 81, something like that. Yeah. And see this. I filmed this before, guys. This is some stuff over here. This is just a lot. Like I said, it's all scatterbrained, guys. You got some stuff parked there, which is nice stuff. There's a GT500. That was one of the last years they made them. And you're not going to get a nicer one than that. You know, let me show you. Hang on a second, guys. Look at this. Perfect color. Perfect. Ford got nailed it. Right, the last year they had that. That, I think, is, look at the interior. It's a Shelby. It says 14. Yeah, and I think 15 was the new style, but this is about as nice as a GT500 of this style you're gonna frickin' get, guys. I don't think this guy drives it. It's immaculate. It has a little bug stuff, but the Grand Rapids has a lot of so it's more of a hilly, woodsy, sandy area. Oh, I hear something making some noise. Check that out, guys. So you gotta have the noise. Hey, look at that. There's a 5 old Mustang like mine. That's just like mine, except yeah, I had that same car basically, but